enjoy my boyfriend's insane and diverse records collection, the 130. Today we will listen to group Dragging a Dead Deer Up a Hill. So beautiful and dreamy. The album cover perfectly captures how the music sounds. It has elements of folk, ambient and drone music. Her voice is so ethereal. It's drenched in haziness, which makes it so unique. Best for listening at night. Rate this album 8.5 out of 10. My favorite songs were Heavy Water, I'd Rather Be Sleeping and Invisible. Have you heard of Group? Are you a fan?